Thinking about remodeling your home? Before you pick up a hammer or sign a contract, the most important decision you'll make is who you hire to do the work. A good contractor can make your dream project stress-free, while the wrong one can turn it into a nightmare. Let's talk through how to choose the right remodeling contractor and what questions to ask before you start. Choosing the right contractor matters because communication, craftsmanship, and accountability can make or break your project. I've seen homeowners who didn't check credentials or skipped contracts run into serious issues down the line. Always check for credentials, licenses, and insurance before hiring a contractor. Most states require specific licenses, and confirming insurance coverage protects you as a homeowner. Visuals of certificates and contractors at work can help illustrate this point. Ask about their experience and references to ensure they're a good fit for your project type. Look for someone experienced with kitchens, bathrooms, or full remodels, and check their before and after photos. Online reviews and calling previous clients can give you insight into their punctuality and follow-through. Review the contract details carefully to avoid misunderstandings later on. Every written contract should include start and completion dates, a detailed scope of work, and a payment schedule. Verbal agreements can lead to problems, so make sure everything is documented. Good communication is just as important as technical skills in a remodeling project. Ask your contractor who will be your daily point of contact and how often you'll receive progress updates. Inquire about how they handle unexpected issues or change orders during the project. Spotting red flags early can save you a lot of headaches later on. Be wary of vague estimates, large upfront payments, or pushy sales tactics. Common mistakes include rushing to choose based solely on price, which can lead to regret. To wrap up, remember the top questions to ask your contractor. Are you licensed and insured? Can I see recent similar projects? How do you handle payments, permits, and communication? Do your homework, ask questions, and don't rush the process. The right contractor will appreciate that you're careful and thorough.